Hi, so I'm Sonali. Both my kids come to VSO. So I call myself a VSO mom. The music mom life has chosen me whether I liked it or not. My older daughter Anaya is 13. She's been learning guitar with Jonathan for the last I want to say 4 years. It may be longer. And my younger daughter is Kavya. She's now going to be 6, and whether she liked it or not, she started learning music when she was 3. So that's me. So and I started learning music from Jonathan before Jonathan bought Office. So our association pretty much goes back from day one. So again, like music found us, Orpheus found us, and we've never looked anywhere else since. When we started, when this whole musical question, when Anaya wanted to study music, I thought it was a phase. At the time, we thought we'll try it out, we'll see how it goes. But Orpheus has the ability to put its hooks into you, and once you're in, it's almost impossible to leave. It's like Hotel California. It's just the warmest, most loving place that I have ever seen. We've been to so many musical schools. I'm not only musical, we've been to so many kinds of activities that the kids do, different schools that they go to, but I've never seen anything warmer or more loving than this environment, and I can't imagine a better place to learn than Orpheus. So I think starting at Orpheus wasn't a choice because and I was already learning with Jonathan when Jonathan and Afshan bought Orpheus. So starting with Office was not a choice. Honestly, leaving hasn't been a choice either. Again, just because the environment here is so loving, everybody's so welcoming and kind. We have now, between Anaya and Kavya, we've spent so much time here, and it's incredible because as soon as we walk in, it feels like home. Everybody's incredibly sweet. And more than sweet, I think as a mom, what sells it to me is just that everybody knows exactly what they're doing and what is supposed to happen with the girls. What I could not have asked for more from a musical school than what we've received.